How to amplify your voice audio on Audacity. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to amplify your audio easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Audacity, as you can see, and then after you record your audio or upload it, now all what you have to do to amplify it is just by selecting the part that you want to amplify. I'm gonna choose it all and then go here on effect, click on effect and go down until you find this amplify option. It's in the top, as you can see. After you click on amplify, here all what you have to do now is manage it from here. Choose how you want it and then click here on OK. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later and thank you so much.